Spill under the heating area? Fix it fast. You can clear sticky messes safely without damaging the cooker. Here's the right way to deep clean the base. Step 1. Power down and cool completely. Turn the unit off, unplug it, and let the base cool. Remove the pot, lid, rack, and any accessories before cleaning. Step 2. Lift dry crumbs first. Use a dry lint-free cloth to collect loose crumbs from the heating plate and inner ring. Don't push debris into seams and never pour water into the base. Step 3. Damp wipe the plate and ring. Lightly dampen a lint-free microfiber cloth with warm, soapy water and wring it almost dry. Wipe the flat heating plate and the surrounding ring. I've linked the set I use in the description. It's soft, non-abrasive, and perfect for cleaning around the base without scratching or leaving lint behind. Step 4. Remove sticky or burnt spots safely. Lay a warm, hot, soapy cloth over the spot for a minute, then wipe gently. Repeat as needed. Do not use metal scouring pads or harsh abrasives, and never immerse the base or run it under water. Step 5. Dry thoroughly and test. Wipe everything dry with a clean cloth and let the base air dry for a few minutes. Reinstall the pot and turn the unit on. Select Sear Sauté for a quick check, then stop the program. Spills that seep into the base or any persistent faults after cleaning mean the unit needs service. Use the support link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you clean it safely, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a lint-free microfiber cloth, I've linked the ones I use below. They make cleanup easy without scratching or leaving residue. Thanks for watching, and keep it clean, not soaked.